Hey guys, it's your girl Shelbeatzzz coming at you today with another beat. I'm giving you natural beat, okay? I'm using my Morphe 35O palette, and we are going for an everyday look. So I'm going in with one of the lightest orange shades for my crease. I'm gonna go in with this darker brown shade on top of that light orange that I used originally as a transition shade. Don't forget, we are using our windshield wiper motion. Then I'm gonna go in with a even darker brown, and I'm concentrating that on the outer corner of my eye, kind of like in a C shape. Then I'm gonna go in with this neutral shade on the lid. And on camera, it doesn't do any justice. It doesn't look like I'm putting anything on the lid, but trust me, it's there. Pack that shade on as much as possible. Then you just go back and clean up any harsh lines. Here is where I put my wing liner on. I am so sorry guys, like I'm really trying to find a way where I can record my wing liner from start to finish where you can actually see it, but I'm a lefty, and it's very, very hard for me to do things because I'm a lefty. That's why I'm so lucky. Here is where I go in with my NYX Angel Veil Primer to prime my face. After that, I use my Mabelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 355 Coconut. And here is where I go in with my Colourpop No Filter concealer in the shade 46 or Deep Golden. This is a really good, affordable concealer. It has a matte finish. It dries down a little quick, but it's still an easy blend. My Fenty Beauty matchsticks. I'm going to use the shade Espresso to contour. Where I set under the eyes with that Mabelline Fit Me foundation powder, and I use the shade 355. Then I set my contour with my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Mahogany. And this bronzer is the best. Like, it just makes you look airbrushed. I'm using Old Faithful, my Laura Geller highlighter. Lip liner in the shade Chestnut to line my lips. Then I'm going to use my NYX liquid lingerie in the color Satin Ribbon. Spray that face down, girl, with your setting spray. Last but not least, I am putting on a NYX Butter Gloss. I forgot the name of it, but I will leave the name in the description bar below. And girl, you are ready for the day, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.